Tell me you are an adult without telling me you are an adult. You got excited about upma. No, seriously, it's 9 a.m., you're starving, and the fridge full on betrayal mode. No bread, nothing. Then you spot that rava dabba lying one corner from so long. Cue the comeback to the century. In ghee, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, onions, beans, peas, carrot, whatnot. Whatever you have, throw it in. And later, add rava. Rava is like soaking everything in. 10 minutes later, you are holding a hot bowl of comfort. No fuzz, no frill, just a strategic, satisfying upma. Serve it with peanut chutney and enjoy comforting food in 10 minutes.